Documentation. Welcome to Alpaca. Get familiar with Alpaca and explore the resources. Who is Alpaca? Find out who is behind Alpaca and how our business works. Where should I start? Not sure where to start? Here's a quick guide to getting up and running. Get started with Alpaca. Do you learn by doing? Try out these tutorials and sample algorithms to get started. API documentation. Take a deep dive into our users' favorite web API documentation or check out our client SDKs. Understand orders. Learn all about order types and their behaviors that you can use on Alpaca. Paper trading. Specification. Alpaca's paper trading offers a great simulation environment to test your algorithms. Third-party tools integration coming from Quantopian. Using zipline, pipeline, or backtrader. Expedite your migration to Alpaca. Market data. Learn about what types of market data are available at Alpaca. Where should I start? If you need help in getting started, check out our examples and tutorials. Sign up and generate your API key. In order to start using Alpaca Web API, you will need to obtain your API key. An API key consists of two strings, one called key ID, which always appears in your dashboard, and secret key, which appears only once when generating it. Make sure you keep both in your hands. To obtain your API key, you need to sign up on the sign up page by inputting your email address and password, then confirming your password through receiving a code on your email. Read through the Web API document. Learn how API works by read through our Web API document. It describes how our API works in detail so you can prepare for your algorithm to interact with it. You can also learn about SDK for your language. Choose one of the supported ones and start building your idea. Copy, paste, and run code examples. You can learn how the process of algorithmic trading works by actually running a list of sample algorithms written in Python in a paper trading or live trading environment. You can also run code examples for each specific function, such as getting market data, placing new orders, and getting a list of existing orders. Start live trading. After signing up on the sign-up page with your email and password, you land on the dashboard where you can view your positions, historical performance, and orders. On the dashboard, you can follow the top left link to start live trading. For you to start live trading, you need to open an Alpaca Securities brokerage account. Currently, Alpaca Securities brokerage account is available only for the U.S. residents and requires you to complete the account application. Once you complete the application, your information is going to be reviewed and approved if everything is good. For more information about account review process, please read Alpaca Securities FAQ page. Deposit your money. In order to start trading, you need to deposit your money into your account. Go to your dashboard, link your bank account, and initiate an ACH transfer from your bank to your Alpaca account. Please also read our FAQ page for banking, too. Have your Quantopian algorithms work at Alpaca if you are coming from the popular backtesting service Quantopian. There is something you want to read about how easy it is to run your algorithm for live trading with Alpaca. Suggestions or questions? We're always happy to hear from you. You can contribute to these docs on GitHub, or you can join our community forum or community Slack to get help from other community members and the Alpaca team.
Please like, subscribe, and comment down below.